Massive evidence for life on Venus has been found. Phosphine gas, a chemical almost exclusively produced by microbes on Earth, has been detected in the atmosphere of Venus. This astonishing discovery has scientists buzzing with excitement and questions. Could this be the smoking gun for alien life in our solar system? What secrets do Venus's clouds hold, and could they harbor life forms that defy everything we thought we knew about biology? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the mysteries of Venus, exploring how this hostile world may actually support life. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. In 2020, scientists made a jaw-dropping discovery that shook the foundations of planetary science. Using powerful telescopes, researchers detected traces of phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere. Why is this so important? On Earth, phosphine is considered a biosignature gas, meaning it's primarily produced by biological processes. Anaerobic microbes, organisms that don't rely on oxygen, create phosphine in environments like swamps, bogs, and even the guts of animals. But here's the kicker: Venus is one of the most inhospitable places in the solar system. Its surface temperature is a staggering 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead, and the air pressure is equivalent to being 3,000 feet underwater. To top it off, its atmosphere is full of sulfuric acid, which would dissolve most life as we know it. So how could a biosignature gas like phosphine exist here? Is it really a sign of life, or could something entirely unknown, some mysterious chemical or geological process, be creating it? That's the puzzle we're here to solve. Let's zoom in on Venus's atmosphere, a multilayered blanket that hides secrets we're just beginning to uncover. About 30 to 40 miles above the planet's surface lies what some scientists call the habitable zone. Here, the temperature drops to a balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pressure is similar to Earth's surface. It's a stark contrast to the inferno below. But can anything survive in such a strange environment? To find answers, we turn to Earth's extremophiles, microorganisms that thrive in extreme conditions. Take the example of acid-loving microbes found in hot springs or volcanic craters. These organisms have evolved to survive in environments with high acidity and limited resources. If life exists on Venus, it might resemble these resilient microbes, adapted to the planet's harsh acidic clouds. Then there's the question of biochemistry. Could Venusian life forms use sulfuric acid instead of water in their biological processes? This isn't as far-fetched as it sounds. On Earth, we've discovered life forms that metabolize sulfur compounds, proving that nature often finds a way to thrive in unexpected ways. Venus is a planet shrouded in mystery, and these 5 questions are at the forefront of our quest to understand it. 1. The origin of phosphine. Is this gas truly a byproduct of life, or is there a previously unknown chemical reaction occurring in Venus's atmosphere? 2. The cloud chemistry puzzle. What other compounds are hiding in Venus's atmosphere? Could there be more organic molecules, hinting at life's existence? 3. Active volcanoes and energy sources. Recent studies suggest that Venus may still have active volcanoes. Could these volcanic eruptions provide heat and nutrients that sustain microbial ecosystems? 4. The mystery of the lost oceans. Billions of years ago, Venus might have been a watery world like Earth. If so, did life originate during this time, only to adapt to the atmosphere as the surface became uninhabitable? 5. Atmospheric superrotation. Venus's atmosphere spins 60 times faster than the planet itself. This phenomenon, called superrotation, is not fully understood. Could it affect the distribution of nutrients or energy in ways that support life? Venus wasn't always the hellscape we see today. Billions of years ago, it may have been Earth's twin, a planet with oceans, mild temperatures, and a stable climate. Scientists believe that Venus's water eventually evaporated due to a runaway greenhouse effect. This process began when heat-trapping gases like carbon dioxide built up in the atmosphere, raising temperatures and causing the oceans to boil away. But here's the big question: did life emerge on Venus before this transformation? And if so, could it have survived the cataclysm by retreating to the cooler, more stable cloud layers? This possibility offers a haunting perspective, Venus might represent an alternate reality of what Earth could become if we don't address our own climate challenges. Here's a mind-bending idea. What if life on Venus and Earth share a common origin? In a process called panspermia, life might travel between planets on asteroids or comets. If Venus was once habitable, it's possible that microorganisms hitched a ride between our planets billions of years ago. This raises profound questions about the interconnectedness of life in the solar system. Are we cosmic siblings with Venus? If life is found there, could it reveal new insights into how life began on Earth? Venus might also hold clues to one of the greatest mysteries in astrophysics, the Hubble Tension. This refers to the disagreement between different measurements of the universe's expansion rate. Some researchers speculate that Venus's unique atmospheric dynamics could provide insights into previously unknown physical processes, offering new ways to interpret cosmic data. Could Venus's mysteries ripple out, changing not just how we understand our solar system, but the universe itself? The good news is, we won't have to speculate for long. A new wave of Venus missions is on the horizon. NASA's Da Vinci Plus mission will send a probe directly into Venus's atmosphere to study its composition and look for signs of life. The Veritas mission, meanwhile, will map the surface in unprecedented detail, revealing the planet's geological history. The European Space Agency's Envision spacecraft will further explore Venus's atmosphere and surface. And private companies like Rocket Lab are stepping up with their own missions, pushing the boundaries of exploration. Each mission brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: is Venus alive? If we confirm life on Venus, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. It would prove that life can arise in environments vastly different from Earth's, reshaping our search for life in the universe. It would also force us to confront new questions. What does it mean to share the solar system with another form of life? And how might this discovery impact our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos? Venus challenges our understanding of biology, chemistry, and even physics. Its mysteries inspire us to look beyond what we know and imagine the impossible. What do you think? Could there really be life on Venus? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's start a cosmic conversation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more journeys into the wonders of the universe. Stay curious, and as always, stay cosmic.